Dear aspirants, this moment in your life is very crucial because you have been looking forward to this moment for a long time. From the day you decided to start your preparation till now, your preparation part is taken care of by you. So there are few suggestions which come to my mind which I would like to share. One, do not think too much about your preparation now, and hence do not think too much about the past. Second, do not think too much about the result as well, which is the future. Rather, live in the present. So for the next 36 hours, which is up to the exam, I would suggest that live in your present. How you do that is by focusing on your mind and your body. The first part is your body. So I would suggest relax your body. Do not physically tire yourself beyond the point. Second, eat food which keeps you comfortable. Have drinks which is like liquid, water, whatever you feel like, because the temperatures are high and this could be dehydrating. And lastly, I would suggest that for Saturday, at least be in your bed for at least 8 hours, ideally trying to sleep. Whether you sleep or not, that's not in your hand, but at least try. That's the body part. Next is your mind, because it's all about your performance. So how do you take care of your mind? I would suggest keep your mind calm. That is, do not tire your mind beyond a point mentally. One, second, keep yourself focused. So take a task at a time and continue to do it. And once you are in the exam, take one question at a time, 100 in the first 2 hours, 80 in the next 2 hours, and go on with it. That's your focus. Third, be ready to be flexible, right? So if there is something that you need to change and you realize that I should change, don't have any kind of hindrance in your mind that I shouldn't. So be flexible in changing your approach if needed. And lastly, have faith in yourself. I believe if you are able to perform keeping these things in your mind, using your knowledge that you have accumulated over the period, using your common sense and using your intuition, I believe the performance will lead to a good result for you in the end. That's all I would say. Thank you and best of luck.